Hi, this is Narayan from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss about Python introduction in Visual Studio. We can create Python applications in two ways. One is IDE, another one is editors. What is IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. IDEs contains rich features like writing code, debugging code, execution code, testing the code, and publishing the code, and many more. But problem with IDE is it will consume more installation memory and execution memory. Below are the few IDEs like Visual Studio Community, PyCharm, Spyder, Eclips+PyDev. We have another one, editors. Editors are limited features, but it will consume less memory for execution. Below are few editors like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Test, Atom, Vim, etc. You can use any IDE or editor based on your convenience. In this course tutorial, we are going to work with Visual Studio. So, I am going to download Visual Studio from this location. Here https:/visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads. This is the location to download Visual Studio Community Edition. Here Visual Studio 2019 contains three versions. One is Community Edition, Professional Edition, and Enterprise Edition. We are going to work with Community Edition. Community Edition is the free for students, open source contributors, and individuals. Okay, download this Community Edition. Once download Community Edition, then double click on exe file. Then it will start to install in your system. If you want to work with Python, then at the time of Visual Studio installation, we need to select few workloads like Python development. And if you want to work with data analytics and data science and data storage, then select data storage and processing, data science and analytic applications. Then click install. Then it will install into your system. Once Visual Studio installed in your system, then go to program files, search Visual Studio and open Visual Studio 2019 or 2017. Visual Studio open. Now we are going to create new Python application. Go to file, new, project. On left side we have multiple languages like Visual C#. In other languages like Visual Basic, Visual C++, Visual F# and Python. Click on Python. On right side we have Python application. Python application is for creating command line application. So select on Python application and provide name of the application Python demo and provide location in local disk to store the Python project and click OK. New Python application was created and here in solution file we'll get Python application structure. If you don't find Solution Explorer, then go to View. Here click on Solution Explorer or shortcut key Ctrl+Alt+L. This is the solution. This solution contains multiple projects, but here we have one project named as Python demo. This is a project and this project contains multiple files. Here Python environment contains predefined Python packages. Using these packages we can create and run Python applications. And here we have one more file python demo.py. So file actions for Python files is .py. Click on python demo.py and it's open here. And here you can write the Python code. We can write Python code using Visual Studio in two ways. One is go to Tools, Python and Python interactive window. Click on it and new window open. Here we need to print 0 to 5 using for loop for I in range 6 print I. We'll discuss about for loop in the next video. Now we'll execute this one and click enter and we're getting output as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have another way to write the code. Go to this window. Here for I in range of 6 print I. And if you want to execute this code, then go to debug, click on start without debugging or Ctrl F5, click on it Here we are getting error. Name or range is not defined. We will see what is the error. Here we provide wrong method name. Remove or. Now for I in range of 6, print I. Now control F5 and we are getting output as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to execute this program in debug mode, then put breakpoint and go to debug. Here we have step into F11. Before that we need to click start debugging or F5. Click on start debugging, F5. Debugging starts. Debugging means line by line execution of a program. Then later we need to click step into, that means F11. Here first I is equal to 0, then print I. Here it's printed I is equal to 0, then F11 I is equal to 1, then print I is equal to 2, then print I is equal to 3, print next I is equal to 4, print. Here printed, then F11 I is equal to 5, print, printed 0 to 5. Later I is equal to 6. This condition is false, then it will execute from the for loop. And here we are getting output as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to work with Visual Studio in the future videos. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.